Welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. If you're wondering what fuel type goes in your vehicle, unleaded 87. Now, you can say to yourself, I'm going to put premium gas in my Toyota RAV4. This is a 2010. I'm going to put a premium. It doesn't matter. Your car is optimized to have a certain torque and a certain power to it. So you can put higher premium gas in it, which probably isn't anything better than unleaded gas. But anyway, when you put the premium in, the car's computers are going to compensate. They are designed to run at a certain level. So the computers in the car, they'll recognize, the sensors will see the sensors through the different, see the fuel in the air going into the combustion chamber. The sensors will detect the ratio of the fuel in the air, and it also detect the differences of, if I can get the word out. It's electronic, it's electric, it's the differences in resistance, different liquids and different air, the air and the fuel, the mist from the fuel injectors will spray in there, and the sensors are picking up differences in resistance and voltage and current and all that crap. It's from the air. It'll detect it. And it sends that information to the computers. There's a bunch of computers in this car, the ECMs, electronic control modules. And it has programs and stuff inside of it. It has circuitry, and it will change the ratios in the way your transmission applies torque to your tires, and it'll make fuel come less or more, and air less, more, open the valve plate up or more, less, or it'll just, and there's a whole bunch of other variables it'll change, spark, the timing, it'll change everything, the timing of the vehicle, timing chain or timing belt or whatever, a whole bunch of systems all working together, and it will output the same horsepower, the same torque from the horse. It'll change it. So you put premium gas in. Let me show you this tank. I'm going to go inside, so I'm getting my keys and wallet, and I've been wearing headphones, and I'm gonna, these shoes here I've been, I need to dry them off, but I haven't used my talc powder. But here's the gas. So unleaded and premium are the same. You're wasting money by putting premium in. Even if your car tells you, you're wasting money, because your car has computers in it, and it detects different fuels, and it's going to output the same stuff. So you're just wasting your money with unleaded fuel. With premium. You're wasting your money with premium fuel. This is Matthumanpizza, and this is a great tip. Use unleaded gas, because the pumpkin says so. Unleaded gas, premium is just a waste of money. So have a great day.